It's a raining evening. A cute and small boy walking on the roadside with his cute Jimmy umbrella. He was holding two lollipops in his cute baby hands. He was walking cutely while bubbling something. Lean, go away. Come again another day. Little Jimmy wanna play. Lean, go away. Oh, so little Jimmy wanna play. But because of rain, he couldn't. He is holding two lollipops. Let's see, where is he going? He was walking on the roadside while humming the nursery rhymes. Just then he saw a small boy trying to protect two kittens by his head. So he went to him and covered him by his small umbrella. Jimmy, are you getting wet? Now Chim Chim umbrella will protect you. Looked at him. Thank you so much. What's your name? Jimmy. Jimmy's name is Jimmy. Meow meow. My name is not meow meow, Jimmy, but Jimmy will call you meow meow. Meow meow. Give him one lollipop. This is for you. Meow meow. I don't like sweet things, Jimmy. Wee, this lollipop is so tasty. Have it. Now Jimmy has to go. Jimmy's Yangi will be waiting for Jimmy. Bye bye, meow meow. Run from there. Meow meow shouts, Hey Jimmy, you forgot your umbrella. Jimmy shouts back, Keep it. My Chim Chim umbrella will protect meow meow. Time skipped at next day. It was as usual rainy day. Meow Meow was waiting for Jimmy at the same place. Today he brought his own umbrella. Meow Meow, where is Jimmy? Yesterday he came here to buy lollipop, so maybe today also he will come. I should wait here. Soon Jimmy came there in cute raincoat. He was looking so sad. Meow Meow saw him and waved his hand. Meow Meow shouts, Hey Chim Chim, come here. Jimmy ran to him. Meow Meow, you here? Wow, today you brought your umbrella too. Meow Meow, how's it? Jimmy, it's so cute. What's his name? Meow Meow, don't know. Jimmy, what don't know? You don't give your umbrella any name? Meow Meow, no, it's an umbrella. Jimmy, no, we should give it a name, otherwise it will be sad, na? Meow Meow, don't worry, it won't be sad. Jimmy, no Meow Meow, it will be sad, I know. Touched umbrella's handle. From today's your name will be Shuki umbrella. Meow Meow, Shuki umbrella, nice name, Chim Chim. Jimmy, no Meow Meow, my name is Jimmy, not Chim Chim. Meow Meow, I'm your Meow Meow and you are my Chim Chim. Jimmy, oh, like this? Utte Meow Meow. Meow Meow, Chim Chim, what are you wailing? Jimmy, oh, this is a Chim Chim raincoat. Jimmy's Appa brought this for Jimmy from Pan. Meow Meow, Pan? Oh, you mean Japan? Jimmy, yeah, same Pan. See, it has a big cap too, so Jimmy won't get wet. How's it, Meow Meow? Meow Meow, it's nice. I never see anything like this before. By the way, Chim Chim, why are you looking sad? Jimmy, I came here to buy lollipop, but today's shop is closed. Meow Meow, oh, but you don't need to sad. Give him a candy. You can eat this. This is also very sweet. Jimmy took the candy. What's this, Meow Meow? Meow Meow, it's a homemade candy. My neighbor auntie made it. It's tasty and healthy both. Jimmy, Utti, I will eat it, Meow Meow. I will come here tomorrow too. Now I'm going. Bye bye, Meow Meow. Bye bye, Shuki umbrella. Time escaped after some days. They both started meeting daily and having fun. Today, Meow Meow took Jimmy in a normal garden. Jimmy belongs from rich family, so he never went to any garden before. It's so crowded. Jimmy held Yoongi's arm tightly. Meow Meow, don't leave my hand. I'm so scared. Meow Meow, why are you scared, Chim Chim? Jimmy, it's so crowded now. What if I lost then? Meow meow. Don't worry, Chim Chim. Meow meow won't let anything happen to his Chim Chim. Looked here and there. Let's go, Chim Chim. I found the solution of your problem. He brought a balloon and tied it on Jimmy's right hand. Balloon was flying high, so in case if Jimmy will lost anywhere, then Meow Meow will easily found him. Meow Meow held his left arm. Now you see, Chim Chim. Let's go. Jimmy happily utti. Meow Meow made him see whole park. Now they both came on swing area. Jimmy tugged Meow Meow's sleeve. Meow Meow. Meow Meow. Jimmy point on swings. What's this, Meow Meow? Meow Meow shocked. What? You don't know this? Jimmy shook his head vigorously. No, nah. Jimmy never go outside before. It's Jimmy's first time to come outside. Meow Meow more shocked. What? But why? Jimmy, because Jimmy's hangy doesn't allow Jimmy to go outside. He said Jimmy's so small to go outside. Meow Meow. Oh, Jimmy. Now tell me now, what's this, Meow Meow? Meow Meow. This is a swing. You come and sit here and swing. Jimmy scared. But what if Jimmy fall then? Meow Meow. Don't worry, Chim Chim. Your Meow Meow won't let anything happen to you. Now come and sit here. He carefully made him sit on the swing and started swinging him. Jimmy was so happy, and seeing him this much happy, Meow Meow is also very happy. Meow Meow. How are you feeling, Chim Chim? Jimmy. I'm feeling like I'm flying in the sky. Meow Meow. Chim Chim. When we will become big, then will you marry me? Jimmy. How can I marry to you? Meow Meow. We? Jimmy. Jimmy will marry with a girl, na? Meow Meow. No, Chim Chim should marry with Meow Meow only. Meow Meow will buy lots of lollipop for Chim Chim. Jimmy. But Jimmy loves food, na? If Jimmy will marry with a girl, then she will cook lots of tasty dishes for Jimmy, like Oma does for Appa. Can Meow Meow cook? Meow Meow. No, but don't worry, Meow Meow will learn cooking for his Chim Chim. Then will Chim Chim marry with Meow Meow? Jimmy thinks hard. Okay, if Meow Meow cooks for Jimmy, Jimmy will marry him with Meow Meow. They both promised with each other and left from there. They both were walking on the road. Meow Meow dropped Jimmy on the market from where he picked him. But suddenly he heard Jimmy's shout. He immediately ran there and saw a dog was barking on him, and he was shivering. He quickly went near him and hugged him tightly. Meow Meow. Jimmy, don't worry, your Meow Meow is here to protect you. Jimmy. Meow Meow, he is barking. He doesn't let me go. Meow Meow shouts, Hey, you meanie dog. Don't you dare to bark on my Chim Chim. Now go from here. Go. Dog left from there. Jimmy. Wow, Meow Meow, you are so strong. Meow Meow. Don't worry, Chim Chim. Meow Meow will always protect his Chim Chim. Now go. They both hugged each other for the last time, then left to their home respectively. Time skipped after 20 years. Hobie rubbed his forehead. Now where did this boy go? Nurse. Excuse me, sir, you can't come in doctor's cabin like this. I'm not anyone, I'm his young. Where is he? Nurse. Dr. Jung went on the round. You can wait outside. Are you out of your mind? I told you now I'm his young. Can't you understand this at once? Calm down, Yang. Why are you shouting on her? To nurse, you can go now. Looked at him. Thank God, Hobie, you came here. Otherwise, I will lose my all the senses. Hobie smiled. It's okay, Jin Yang. Calm down and tell me what happened. Why are you so angry? Jin. What could be the reason other than that brat? Hobie. Now what did Minnie do? Jin. Wrong question, Hobie. You should ask what didn't he do? Hobie gave him a glass of water. Hyang, please drink the water and tell me what happened. Jin, Dad, Brad wanna go on some village for health camp. Hobie, Brad looked at Jin's glare. I understood, Hyang, you're talking about Minnie. But Hyang, what's problem in this? It's good na, he is a doctor, he should go on health camp. Jin, what are you saying, Hobie? Do you know how tough village life is? And what about his beautiful face? Don't know there will electricity available or not. And weathers, there will too much dust too. What happened with my worldwide handsome face? It will get tan. Hobie, calm down, Hyang. Nothing will happen to your worldwide handsome face. Don't take stress, otherwise you will get wrinkles. Jin, yeah, you're right. But Dad Brad always find a reason to give me stress. Hobie, Hyang, why are you worried? Minnie wanna go to village for health camp, not for you. Jin, what are you saying, Hobie? If he will go, then I should also go with him. I can't let him go alone. He's just a baby. Hobie, baby? Hyang, your baby is now 24 years old and well-reputed doctor. Jin, yeah, he is only 24 years. He couldn't do anything by himself. He couldn't do any skin care. I'm the one who always take care of his everything. He got such a beautiful skin just because of my genes. But he never cared about it. And you know that useless person already signed on the document to give him permission, even without informing me. Can you imagine this? Hobie, useless person? Oh, you mean Nam Jun Hyang, your husband? Jin, stop calling him my husband. He isn't my husband. He never cared about me. How easily he gave him permission to go village. Hobie, Hyang, don't tell me you came here after fighting with Jun Hyang. Jin, I never fight, Hobie. I'm very calm person. That useless person always fought with me. Hobie mumbles, yeah, I can see who is calm and who always fight. Jin's mobile rang, but he ignored it. Hobie, Hyang, your mobile is ringing. Pick the call, maybe it's important. Jin, it's that useless person's call. I don't want to talk with him. Hobie, Hyang, what are you talking about? Talk with him, na? Jin stubbornly, no. OTP, June. Hello, baby. I'm really sorry. Please come back. I'm worried for you. I want to try to tell you everything, but Jimmy stopped me by saying you won't allow him. Please, baby, say anything. My ears are desperate to listen your raps. Baby, Ginny. Hobie, nervously. Hyang, it's me, Hobie. June, Hobie, how do you have my Ginny's mobile? Is he fine? Hobie, Hyang, no need to panic. He is perfectly fit and fine. He is sitting in front of me. June sighed in relief. Thank God he's fine. Give him mobile. I want to talk with him. Hobie, Hyang, he doesn't want to talk to you. Don't worry. I will send him to you soon. June, okay, but please take care of him. He is so angry. Hobie, don't worry, Hyang. I will handle everything. Call ended. Jin looked at him. What did that useless person say? Hobie, he said, please take care of my Ginny. He's so angry. So please don't leave my love alone. Say sorry to my Ginny, my love of the life. Jin, he really said this? Hobie, why would I lie to you, Hyang? Don't you know how much Jun Hyang love you? Jin, my Junie loves me so much. Hobie, then please spit the anger and talk with him. He is so worried for you. Jin, I know Dad, but he gave him permission to go. Hobie, Hyang, you should be happy that your husband loves your brother this much and care for him just like his own child. Jin, I'm very happy, Hobie, but I don't want he go to village. Got an idea. Hobie, I got a superb idea. Hobie, what, Hyang? Jin, call to him here and scold him. Hobie, how can I scold him, Hyang? Jin, why can't you scold him? He is your junior. Now call him here and cancel his form. If you didn't do, then I won't talk to you ever. Hobie, fine, Hyang, I'm calling him. You don't need to threaten me. You call me, Hobie? Jin, without looking at him. Is this the way to talk with your senior doctor? Doesn't your family teach you anything? Looked at him, then Hobie. Dr. Jung, you call me here? Hobie. Yes, Dr. Park Jimin. I heard you are going to village for health camp. Jimin. Yes, Dr. Jung. Hobie. With whose permission are you going there? Jimin. Dr. Jung, we all took the pledge to save every human being's life without any discrimination. Jin, you can save humans' life here too. Why do you want to go to village? Jimin, because in village there is lack of doctors. Jin, other doctors are going now. You don't need to go there. Jimin, sorry sir, it's my duty to save people's life, and moreover, my hang already gave me permission to go. Left. Jin angrily, see Hobie, this is his behavior. Don't know what happened to this boy. Why doesn't he want to listen to me? Hobie, Hyang, if you don't want to send him in field, then why shouldn't you allow him to become a doctor? Jin, I never want this. I want he become a famous model. He blackmailed me by his puppy-dog eyes. Do one thing, let marry with him. Hobie choked, Marry? Are you serious, Hyang? Jin, yeah, I'm damn serious. Me and June already like you. You are his childhood friend. Hobie, Hyang, we are only friends, nothing else. Don't stress yourself. Let him go. Trust on him. He will be fine. He is all grown up now. Don't stop him to do anything. Let him do in which he is happy. Jin, you are right, Hobie. Time skipped at the village. Jimin came into the village and the first day of his camp went smoothly. He decided to visit village and enjoy its beauty. He was walking on the road. Jimin, while walking, it's so beautiful and peaceful place. Here's air is so fresh. No rush of city's busy life. He slipped into a small lake. His face was fully covered by mud. He was asking a help, but there wasn't anyone who can help him. Jimin shouts, Help! Help! Somebody help me! I'm here in this small lake. Please, somebody take me out. He was shouting. A boy was passing by there, heard his voice and helped him to come out from the lake. He couldn't see his face due to mud. Jimin, thank you so much. Boy, it's okay. Come with me and clean your face, otherwise it will go into your eyes. Jimin, okay. He took him nearby the farm where he started cleaning his face. He was amazed to see Jimin's face. His ethereal beauty made him crazy. He never saw any boy this much beautiful before. Jimin looked at him and waved his hand. Hey, thank you so much. Removed his shirt and gave to Jimin. Wear this, otherwise you will catch the cold. Jimin wore the shirt over his wet clothes. Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Park Jimin. Shake his hands. Hello, I'm Min Yoongi. I never see you before. Are you new here? Jimin, yes, I came today itself for my work. Yoongi, oh, are you a model? Jimin, no, I'm a doctor. I came here for health camp. Yoongi, really? I thought you were a model because you're too beautiful. Jimin, blessed heart, thank you so much. What do you do? Yoongi, I'm a farmer. I have my own farms. Jimin, great. I never see any farm before. Can I see your farms, please? Yoongi, of course you can, but not now. It's getting dark. Come, let me drop you at your home. Jimin, okay, let's go. Since that day, Yunmin started hanging out together. They started having feelings for each other, but there is something which stopped them to confess their love. Jimin, I don't know why, but whenever I am with Yoongi, I became the happiest person of the world. He is so good. He took care of my small things. I don't know why. He reminds me of someone special. I'm committed with someone else, but still have the feeling for another man. Isn't it crime? Isn't it called cheating? There is something in Yoongi which attracts me towards him. Yunmin were walking in the farm side. Suddenly it started raining heavily. Jimin was feeling guilty because he got the feelings for Yoongi, whereas Yoongi was super happy because he already realized his feelings. Yoongi happily, Jimin, it's raining. I love rain. And you? Jimin closed eyes. I don't know, Yoongi. I never feel rain before, so I don't know. How does it feel? Yoongi, really? Jimin, really? My Hang never let me drench in water. He always said I will catch cold. Yoongi held his hand. Come with me, I have something for you. He took him near the tree, which has a swing which was decorated by the flowers. Jimin smiled to see the swings. He remembered something. Jimin smiled. Swing! Yoongi, I made it for you. Sorry, I don't have anything to decorate it, so I decorated it by the flowers. I hope you liked it. Jimin immediately sat on it. I loved it, Yoongi. It's so beautiful. Yoongi gave him a push. Jimin, I wanna say something to you. Jimin, say. Yoongi, I'm a simple boy from a village. I don't know how to say it. Jimin, don't be hesitate, Yoongi. I understand you. Yoongi, Jimin, will you marry me? I will always make you happy. Jimin stopped the swing and looked at him. Yoongi, you are a very good boy, but I can't marry with you. Yoongi, I know you live your life like a prince, but I promise I will try to give you all the comforts. Please marry with me. Jimin, Yoongi, it's not about comforts. I'm comfortable to live with you. I will happily live with you here in village. I don't have any problem. Yoongi, then what's the problem? Jimin, I'm already committed with someone else. I also like you, but I can't cheat him. Yoongi, with broken heart, who is he? Jimin, don't know. I don't know his name. Don't know how does he look. Where is he? What does he do? I know nothing about him. Yoongi, means I don't understand anything. Jimin, I met with him in childhood here in this village. He used to bring candy for me. He was so sweet. I came here to find him. Yoongi smiled and gave him a push. Now we became big. Chim Chim, will you marry with your meow meow? I learned cooking too. Now I will prepare tasty dishes for my Chim Chim. Jimin immediately stepped down from the swing and looked at him. Meow meow, touched his face. Yoongi smiled. Yes, your meow meow, my Chim Chim. Jimin hugged him tightly and started crying. Meow meow, I missed you so much. Yoongi strokes his hairs. Me too, Chim Chim. Jimin, how does you recognize me? Yoongi, because of your caring and helpful nature, and held his lips. This big and beautiful pout. Only my Chim Chim can has this much beautiful and cute pout. Jimin blushed hard and hid his face in his chest. Stop it, nah, I'm shy. Yoongi gave him a candy. So now, Chim Chim, will you marry with Meow Meow? Jimin immediately unwrapped the candy and put it in his mouth. Yes, Chim Chim will marry with his Meow Meow. Yoongi kissed on his forehead. Thank you. Meow Meow will always make his Chim Chim happy. Jimin broke the hug, but there is a problem. Yoongi, what problem? Jimin, my Jin Hyang. Yoongi, Chim Chim, you are calling your Hyang a problem? Very bad. Jimin, not like this, Meow Meow. He will never accept our relationship. Yoongi, but why? Jimin, because he loves me so much. He thought I can't be happy with you. Even he was against on my decision to come here. He will never allow me to live here in village. Sad pout. Yoongi, don't worry, Chim Chim. We will make him understand. Jimin, yes, we won't lose the hope. He has to accept our love. Yoongi hugged him tightly. He will definitely do. Arthur's point of view. Jimin informed about Yoongi to Jin. After hearing this, he became super mad and immediately denied for their relationship. But after so many emotional blackmailing, he was ready to meet with Yoongi. June immediately gave his permission after meeting with Yoongi and realizing his true love. But Jin, being a stubborn and possessive Hyang, he gave Yoongi 6 months time to prove himself. that he is capable for Jimin. Till then, they can talk with each other, spend time with each other, but can't have any type of physical relationship, not even a simple kiss. Yoongi happily accepted his demand. Yunmin were trying to prove their love. Maybe in future they will get married if Jin accepts their love. Whenever they get married, their wedding card will be Chim Chim wears Meow Meow. If your love is true, then time and distance don't matter. You will always be loyal with each other. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. This story was requested by my Shona. I promised her that I will make 2K special one shot on her idea, but due to my busy schedule, I couldn't make it. So here's 3K special one shot. She is the one who suggested me to write a moral message at the end of the story. It's her idea. I hope I didn't disappoint you. I left so many things because of lack of time. Video became already very long. I wanna write Jin's reaction and Yunmin's wedding too, but couldn't write. Tell me if you want Yunmin's wedding with Jin's reaction, then I can meet bonus part 2. But for that, I will see your response first. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.